All right, guys, you know it's a good day when I got my coffee on deck. It's Friday. This is actually a double espresso, by the way, guys. And the entire stock market is moving, although SoFi is down a bit. We'll cover that in a second. I'm still hyped, though. I'm still hyped. It's a great day overall. A lot of green out there, guys. So we have to break down SoFi, do an update on the charts, my thoughts. And later in the video, we're going to break down some other stocks, maybe the indexes. So, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subs, guys. We're so freaking close. And get your 30 stocks for a moo. Check out the link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Oops, let me actually get this centered for you guys. Once you deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Once you deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 stocks, guys, and your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So, man, SoFi's been selling off all day, pretty much right out of the gate. You guys can see here, SoFi opened up at $16.50, which, by the way, that's where we failed all day yesterday, right? That was the intraday high. We tested it, got rejected at it about 5 times yesterday, right? And this morning, like I said, we opened up at $16.50, and literally we got rejected right out of the gate, and we sold off, and well, we're still selling off now. In fact, you guys can see, if I zoom in, you guys see this red candle right here. 4 red candles, actually, one big one. You guys see that? We're now dumping under $16, and we're officially down about 3% on the day, which I guess in the midst of a green day, that it's not what you want to see for SoFi stock. But overall, guys, look, pretty much we're still consolidating. Even though we're down on the day, this entire week we've held steady at, 16, more like $15 to $16, right? That window, we held steady at it, or steady within it this entire week since earnings came out on Monday, which honestly, man, I think it's a good sign. You guys, if I pull this up, you guys can see right here, we're literally trading sideways, even though we're down 3% on the day. You guys see it right here. This is pure consolidation on SoFi. And sure, if it breaks through $15 next week, right? Let's say we break through this channel, start going 14s, 13s. Yes, at that point, all right, we're breaking trend in the short term. That would not be ideal for the bulls. But as of now, man, we're still on this channel. We're technically still trading sideways, even though we're down on the day. So we got to take a chill pill, take a breather. I don't think anybody's freaking out over this, but if you are, relax. It's going to be fine. And if anything, we might get lower prices to buy more shares, or at least that's the way I'm looking at it. You guys know I bought more after earnings at $15.50. I did that a couple of days ago, and I mentioned to you guys in that video, the update video, I was like, look, if SoFi goes down under 15 to the $13, $14, $12 window, that is where I'm going to buy more. But for now, guys, I'm just holding on, and I'm kind of waiting to see what direction we pick, right? I'm comfortable with the position I've already built in SoFi. So if it breaks out next week above, let's say 1650, 17, we break out of this channel, I'd be cool just holding on to what I have, right? I feel good with where I'm at. And if it breaks through 15, right, that's where I'd be like, okay, time to add more. Like I said, that's kind of the way I'm looking at it. Either way, it's a win-win for me. I mean, I get to buy more shares, or the stock goes up, I make more money. Either way, it's a win-win, right? So that's a quick breakdown on SoFi. And to be honest, man, it's 125 right now when I'm making this video. You're watching it shortly after. I wouldn't be surprised. Bold prediction. We'll see if I'm right. I don't know. But I wouldn't be surprised if we got a bit of a rebound to close off this Friday. I mean, I don't see it slipping down much more, to be honest, man, especially now that the market is green. So yeah, don't be surprised if we get a bit of a rally. And if you're watching this video, after the bell or more towards the end of the day, let me know if my bold prediction here was right, or let me know if I'm an idiot. Either way, let me know in the comments. I'm curious, kind of how this plays out. Of course, I'll be tracking it in real time, but for the sake of this video, that's pretty much what we got. That's pretty much what we got. And on the 4-hour chart, I mean, we're still clearly above the 180 SMA, which is great news, right? The uptrend overall is holding, which I love here on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll play it by ear. I'm long, obviously. You guys know that. I mean, I've been buying this stock for over a year now. I mean, I was buying in the 5, 6s, and I get comments sometimes clearly from people that haven't watched my videos for more than a month, and they're like, "Oh, Stas, what are you doing with Sofi? You just bought it now." I'm like, no, I didn't. I've been in this stock for a while, when it was down in the dumpster, and I told you guys $10, $11, $12, $15 plus is my target, not too far away. I was saying that when it was at $5, $6, $7, $8, and you guys probably remember, and not to toot my own horn, but I was right. Here we are. We're at $15, $16. We hit almost 20. So that is why I was buying it like crazy in this period right here, end of 2023, early 2024, mid 2024. I was buying this thing, and it's paying off. Finally, it's paying off, and I feel like there could be a lot more upside in the long term, or else I would have already sold my shares, locked in my profits, right? So that's a quick rundown here on Sofi, and let me show you now quickly the indexes, how we're looking now on this Friday as we're now past the midpoint of the day. SPY's up 0.4%, not bad. It's looking like it wants to go all-time highs. Will it though? I have no idea. Today at least, right? I don't think it, by the looks of it, I don't know about today, but at some point next week, guys, yeah, I think SPY could go all-time highs. QQQ, we covered this earlier. It's up around 1%, but it's still struggling at a multi-week high resistance at 532. That level needs to break. If it does, 540 could be next, so keep your eyes on that. The Dow's down 0.25%, but guys, we're like 50 points away from all-time highs, or at least we were earlier today. Now it's like 300 points. But still, we're pretty much there. All-time highs on the Dow are probably coming soon by the looks of it. And the Russell is gearing up for a breakout. To me, it seems like we have an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this right here on the Russell? Left shoulder. You guys see the head right here. Boom, if it wants to work. Right, there we go. Right shoulder. So this looks like it could break out at any moment now. And it looks like it's already starting to do that as of the last couple of days here, as we've built up momentum out of these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I don't want to drag it on too much. SoFi's down. All right, not a big deal because there's a lot of green out there in the stock market. And overall, the market is just digesting the earnings still. We're trading sideways still. It looks fine to me. I don't know about you guys, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1%. APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check out the link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.